So if you want to add a custom domain to your website on Vercel for free, don't worry. Yeah, I'll guide you step by step in a simple way. First thing first, you need to buy a domain name from a provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap, or any domain registrar you prefer. Once you have your domain ready, go to your project dashboard inside Vercel and open the settings section. From there, find the Domains tab and click on Add Domain. Now type your custom domain name and confirm it. After that, Vercel will give you some DNS records that you need to add in your domain provider settings. So go back to your domain provider, open the DNS management panel, and add the records exactly as shown. Usually it will be an A record or a CNAME record. Once you add those, go back to Vercel and wait for verification. It can take a few minutes depending on DNS propagation, so just be patient. After it's verified, set your custom domain as the primary domain so your site always opens with it instead of the default Vercel URL. The good thing is, Vercel automatically provides HTTPS for free, so your website will be secure without any extra work. And yeah, that's it. Your custom domain is now connected, and your website looks much more professional and clean. So if you want to add a custom domain to